Welcome back to the channel. Angle of Loll. When a vessel with a positive initial stability, meaning its metacentric height gm is positive, suffers an incident that causes its center of gravity g to shift upwards, its gm can become 0 and then negative. A negative gm means the ship has unstable equilibrium at the upright position, and it will immediately list to one side or the other to find a new stable non-upright position. This initial list is called the angle of Loll. It's not caused by an external force like wind or waves, but by this internal instability. The list occurs because the ship seeks a stable angle where its righting lever GZ becomes positive again. At the angle of Loll, the center of buoyancy B has shifted sufficiently so that the metacenter M is now vertically above the center of gravity G in the listed condition, restoring a positive GM relative to that listed position. This is a dangerous condition because the vessel has lost its initial stability, and a small external force can cause a sudden, large increase in the list or even capsize. So how do we correct the angle of Loll? The primary goal is to lower the center of gravity G of the ship to make the GM positive while the vessel is still listed. The critical and counterintuitive step is to initially reduce the existing list by carefully and slowly filling the lower side wing tank or the centerline double bottom tank. Never begin by correcting the list towards the high side, as this would initially raise the G and cause a dangerous sudden flop to the opposite side, likely leading to capsize. By ballasting the lower side, we add weight low down, which immediately lowers G, makes the GM positive, and restores the ship's righting moment for the small initial angles. Once the ship is stable and the GM is safely positive, the vessel will start to correct itself towards upright. We can then proceed to correct any remaining list to achieve the final upright position. Ballasting the lowest wing tank on the side that is already listed is the correct and safe first move. Remember, the angle of Loll is a stability problem, not a simple list, and it must be corrected by lowering G. The safest procedure is to introduce low ballast slowly and cautiously to avoid a dangerous sudden heel reversal. Understanding the angle of Loll is vital for every mariner to ensure the safety and survival of the vessel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.